Welcome to another stage analysis video. It's Sunday the 16th of August 2026. I'm going to start off today's video with a look at the weekend's watchlist stocks before getting into the regular content. So starting with AAOI, which is Applied Optoelectronics, which has had a significant pullback recently. You can see on the daily chart here, which took it all the way back down to its 200-day moving average, and you'll note the prior support level from the swing low from back in late March. So tested that very closely before making a reversal the following day. Classic spring type move, and then followed through. It was a sign of strength bar, and then the gap up through, which I believe might have been the earnings day there, which took it back through the +1 ATR level. So the ATR levels shown on the bands behind here. We've got the 21-day exponential moving average here, and then it's a 21-day +1 times ATR level on that, so, and then 2 times and 3 times up here. So generally when you're above the 1 times ATR level, it's in a short-term uptrend. So with the significant pullback here to the 200-day moving average and rebound, although it's now regained its 50-day moving average, has moved into potential stage 3 type scenario here. So you can see from the chart, so it's in this significant stage 2 advance, did have a rough start to that, dipped out of it and came back in again, but you can see rolled over here. So it's came all the way back below its 30-week moving average for 3 whole weeks there before making this significant bar move back above it and its 10-week moving average there. So in order to get back to stage 2 at the moment, 180.5 up here, which takes it back up around this area up here. So, and you can see from this chart that the technical attributes have improved back up to a 6 out of 10. So the technical attributes are scored from a 0 to a 10, and they rate the characteristics of stage 2, and it still has a strong mantle of relative strength. But obviously with a significant pullback like this could be early stage 3 behavior. We could see it start to build a base. It could obviously form a secondary move across here, and then obviously start to chop around in a base structure sideways through here. But at the moment, giving it the benefit of the doubt with the move back above the 50-day moving average here, you can see it was a big move on Friday, 15.53% there. So moving very strongly back through its 50-day moving average. So looking for a short-term continuation move, at least back towards the old highs, so around the 200 to 230 area in the short term would be a good little target for that. But if it does immediately start dropping back below this 50-day moving average again, then this could be a fake out little move here. So if you do start to see that very quickly, then that would be a failed attempt to move up through here, and then obviously it could get significantly worse from there. So at the moment, looking for that continuation attempt, but obviously on the warning sign if it did drop back below there again. AMD up next, similar kind of position, hasn't had the same kind of significant pullback. You can see it's a long way above its 200-day moving average at the spring there. So back above its 50-day moving average again on Friday. Short term pivot close just a little bit above it there on the 1 ATR level as well. So it's in a neutral position at the moment within this sideways range, which it's been in for the last month. Obviously a very strong stage 2 move out of a big sideways range before that. So we come back into the weekly chart here. You can see on the stage analysis website, had an exceptionally good stage 2 advance over the last couple of years here, so through 2025, or a year and a half. Did go sideways for a bit into stage 3 before making a continuation move. A good example of how a stage 2 can obviously turn to stage 3 and then make a continuation. It doesn't necessarily have to roll over. Obviously people expect once you hear stage 3 that it's going to come off again, but obviously often more times than not, obviously we get a base and you can get a continuation like this. So looking for similar kind of thing again, looking for further continuation with this back up towards the highs again. SATA score rebounding back to a strong SATA 6 at the moment in stage 2B at the moment, which means it's been in stage 2 for more than 39 weeks or 3/4. So looking for a move up through that 180R level and that near-term pivot. So 325.12 at the moment is that level. So say 326 starts to close back above that, then could get interesting in the short term. Another area this week that's been popping up in the watch list is the precious metal stocks. So gold miners, particularly in the silver miners, have been showing up as gold has surged back up the rankings overall. So change of character in the near term. We've seen a number of stage 2 breakouts as well within the gold miners, with a few of them. So GDX itself just a borderline case here after this failed stage 4 move lower, now reversing back higher. So what we call a change of character, at least a change of behavior in the short term here. You note the multiple gap up moves through here, so some clear near-term strength coming into this, managing to get back above its 200-day moving average, and then the test holding that on Thursday, and then following through a little bit on Friday. So looking for a follow-through move here. So if we look at this on the website here, you can see the significant bar that we saw in the gold miners across the board there. So as I said, a failed sort of brief stage 4 decline here, turning back up to its 30-week moving average at the moment with this one. So looking for some follow through, see if it can get back up into the broader range, back into the previous sort of stage 3 range there. So looking for some improvement on that one still.